What's going on, guys? It's like 33 degrees right now. We're going out to the garage. Just started the heater up because we're gonna mount that Type X wing on the Miata. First thing what we gotta do is I gotta move my pit bike out of the way, get this thing up so we have some room back there to mess about and install this thing. Alright, so I got it on here, just kind of testing out where I could fit it, where the bottom will have enough contact like that, where it's not like just flopped up like that. But I also need to take note of this gas door. Alright, mocking up some measurements here, marking things out, making sure everything's perfectly even. Alright, I have a pretty good template here right where I need to drill the holes. It should be right here too, very accessible, easy part to install it here, unlike a lot of cars where they have, you know, all that shit like this throughout the entire thing. Alright, well, it is totally mounted. This thing is fucking solid on there. Bodywork is trash. Installing this thing took a lot of patience, but I did it. I got it really good where the spacing for every side matches up really well, and all the measurements are perfect. It's very straight. If you come back here, you could tell it's pretty much perfect with the tail light where it's not overhanging one side or something. Looks really good. I just hope I can get this thing painted soon, because obviously the black throws it off. But I'm happy with it, and it's pretty solid on there. Here, I'll pop the trunk and show you guys. Pretty hard to open now because it's just way heavier, and that will definitely not stay open, so I'm gonna need a prop for that. But we just got 2 holes there, 2 holes there with the bolts. Obviously this is just a mock-up, but it's solid on there, as you can see. So yeah, the Type X wing is on the Miata. I actually think I'm gonna take this thing out for a little drive. If I go to like a gas station or something with good lighting, I'll show the car off. But I'm sorry I didn't show too much of the installation. It's very hard with one person. But damn, we got the Type X wing. I've wanted that forever.
最好嘅拍檔係唔要有私隱感。不知道是不是因為天氣的關係，那天晚上